hand right now.
Alright.
I'm about to go dumb hard right now. Catch up, come on.
Look at that.
Oh, I don't believe that. It's bullshit.
You can sneeze. Sneeze.
God damn! Watch out. Listen, watch out for your safety. Watch out for your safety.
You sneeze?
Oh shit, they got a T-Mobile.
Racist.
That's something else, yo. I didn't see T-Mobile the longest.
Over here, right?
Nah, I ain't see T-Mobile in general. They don't got no, it's my butt, but they don't
Right.
T-Mobile in PA, yo. They took all that shit down.
Okay, that's a lot of T-Mobiles.
T-Mobile's bad out there, that's why.
The service and shit?
Yeah, nigga. I still got it. Fuck it. I tell her mom to pay my bill, yo. I pay her cash back. Always do it like that, because T-Mobile's out here.
Is it unlimited everything? Shit.
Yeah, bullshit, but it's not worth the price, though. I could go to fucking Straight Talk. Straight Talk is way cheaper. And get an
Oh,
iPhone.
yeah. Oh, what? Straight Talk?
Straight Talk, man. Niggas underestimating that shit. Gotta go to Walmart for it, though. That's all.
Straight Talk. Ugh.